Welcome to the dynamic landscape of 2025. We're stepping into a world that's constantly evolving, especially when it comes to careers and opportunities. The global job market is now more competitive than ever before, a true arena where talent clashes and the best rise to the top. A vast pool of highly skilled individuals is actively seeking new opportunities, all eager to make their mark. They're all vying for similar roles, creating a challenging environment for job seekers. The stakes are high and the competition is intense. Standing out now demands more than just a polished resume. It's about showcasing your unique value. It requires a strategic approach, a well-thought-out plan to navigate the complexities of the modern job search. And it demands a compelling presentation of your unique talents, highlighting what sets you apart from the crowd. Technology is rapidly reshaping job roles and skill requirements, transforming the very nature of work. New professions are emerging, and existing ones are evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by technological advancements. To succeed, you must be agile, ready to pivot and adapt to changing circumstances. Adaptable, embracing new technologies and methodologies, and committed to continuous learning and professional development. Companies are eager to attract top-tier talent, seeking individuals who can drive innovation and growth. But with so many qualified candidates, their selection process is rigorous, designed to identify the very best. Your application materials are your first impression, the initial glimpse a potential employer has of you. Make them count. Ensure they are polished, professional, and truly reflective of your skills and experience. In this crowded field, you have only seconds to capture a recruiter's attention, a fleeting moment to make a lasting impact. The pressure can be intense, the competition fierce, and the stakes incredibly high. But there's reason for optimism, a light at the end of the tunnel for those who are prepared and persistent. Innovative tools and strategies are available, designed to empower you in your job search. To help you navigate this complex market, providing guidance and support every step of the way. You're not alone. There's a community of professionals ready to offer support and guidance. Support is out there, waiting to be discovered and utilized to your advantage. With the right approach, a strategic mindset, and a proactive attitude, you can turn challenges into stepping stones for career success, transforming obstacles into opportunities for growth. Embrace the possibilities and take charge of your future, becoming the architect of your own career destiny. The competition is fierce, a constant reminder to stay sharp, adaptable, and proactive. But so are the opportunities, a vast landscape of possibilities waiting to be explored and seized. Imagine having a powerful, personalized secret weapon, a tool that understands your ambitions and guides you every step of the way. In your job search, a companion that never sleeps and is always ready to assist you. AI Career Coaches. These aren't just algorithms. They're sophisticated systems designed to help you navigate the complexities of the modern job market. These intelligent systems are transforming how people approach their careers, providing insights and support previously unavailable, offering a sophisticated edge, giving you the upper hand in a competitive landscape, and leveling the playing field, ensuring everyone has access to the resources they need to succeed. AI Career Coaches provide deeply personalized guidance, understanding your unique strengths and weaknesses, available around the clock, offering support and advice whenever you need it, day or night, tailored to your needs and goals, ensuring that your career path is aligned with your personal aspirations. They learn your background, analyzing your experience and skills to identify opportunities, understand your aspirations, helping you define your career objectives and create a roadmap to achieve them, and deliver actionable strategies just for you, providing practical steps you can take to advance your career. Once a luxury, this level of support is now accessible to everyone, democratizing career development and empowering individuals from all backgrounds. Think of AI mentors as personal trainers for your career, pushing you to reach your full potential, helping you identify areas for improvement and build your strengths, ensuring you're always growing and developing professionally. They prepare you for the main event, equipping you with the skills and confidence you need to shine, landing your dream job. It's about more than just finding a job. It's about building a fulfilling career. With an AI career coach, you're more confident and ready to face the job market head-on, armed with the knowledge and skills to succeed. This is the future of career development, a new era of personalized and data-driven career guidance. accessible, breaking down barriers and making career support available to everyone. Personalized, tailored to your individual needs and aspirations. And empowering, giving you the tools and confidence to take control of your career. The advantage is real, and it's here now, offering a tangible boost to your career prospects. Are you ready to use it? Are you ready to unlock your full potential and achieve your career dreams? Your resume and cover letter are your first professional handshake. Make them flawless. AI now plays a pivotal role in perfecting these documents, scanning for subtle errors and areas for improvement. AI-powered platforms benchmark your resume against industry standards and offer concrete suggestions for enhancement. This includes adding relevant keywords, using stronger action verbs, and optimizing layout for readability and ATS compatibility. For cover letters, AI helps you tailor each one with precision, ensuring your message is compelling and relevant. Every application can be meticulously optimized to speak directly to the employer's needs. No more generic one-size-fits-all documents. This approach significantly increases your chances of securing an interview. AI ensures you consistently put your best foot forward. In today's market, that's not just helpful, it's essential. Let AI help you stand out. Your next opportunity could depend on it. Job descriptions are more than lists, they're blueprints for what companies truly value. AI-powered tools act as expert decoders, analyzing every nuance to uncover what employers are really seeking. They identify critical skills, experience levels, and even hints about company culture. This goes beyond keyword matching. It's about understanding intent. With this insight, AI coaches guide you to highlight your most relevant strengths and align your application perfectly. You're not just qualified, you're the ideal fit. This tailored approach sets you apart from the crowd. Speaking the employer's language makes a powerful impression. You become a thoughtful, well-prepared candidate, not just another applicant. In a competitive market, this is a game changer. Let AI help you decode and conquer job descriptions. Make every application count. Job interviews can be stressful, but AI offers a solution-realistic private interview simulations. Practice anytime, anywhere, and walk into real interviews feeling prepared and confident. AI-driven tools pose industry-specific questions from common to challenging, ensuring your practice is relevant. The real magic is in the feedback. AI analyzes your responses, clarity and tone, and even body language. You get actionable tips for improvement, helping you build confidence with every session. Identify weaknesses, refine your answers, and learn strategies for tricky questions. Each practice session brings you closer to presenting your best self. When the real interview comes, you'll be polished and ready to impress. This kind of preparation is indispensable in today's market. Don't just hope for the best. Train for it. Let AI help you ace your next interview. The difference is real. Are you ready to shine? Finding the perfect job can feel overwhelming, but AI streamlines the process. AI algorithms match your unique profile to suitable openings, saving you hours of searching. They assess your skills, experience, and goals for a truly holistic fit. Some tools even factor in your preferred work environment and company culture. The result? Better matches and greater job satisfaction. Networking is still vital, and AI can help here too, suggesting valuable connections and drafting outreach messages. AI identifies key people in your target industries, opening doors you might not find alone. By leveraging AI, you uncover hidden opportunities and expand your professional circle. Smart networking becomes easier and more effective. Let AI be your catalyst for career growth. The right connections and the right job are closer than you think. Use AI to make them happen. The market for AI-powered career tools is booming, transforming how we approach job searching and career advancement. These innovative options are designed to support your journey, offering personalized assistance every step of the way. Teal helps you organize applications, keeping track of deadlines and requirements with ease. It also helps you optimize your resume with AI-driven insights, ensuring it highlights your key skills and experiences. Rezi specializes in creating ATS-friendly resumes, designed to pass through applicant tracking systems. This ensures your application gets seen by recruiters, increasing your chances of landing an interview. InterviewAI offers realistic mock interviews, simulating the pressure of a real interview environment. It provides detailed feedback, analyzing your performance and identifying areas for improvement. This helps in sharpening your skills and boosting confidence so you can present your best self. ChatGPT Career Coach is a versatile assistant, offering guidance and support throughout your career journey. It can help you brainstorm career paths, exploring different options, and identifying potential opportunities. It can also draft emails, helping you communicate effectively with potential employers and network contacts. And it can prepare you for negotiations, ensuring you get the compensation you deserve. These tools are flexible, adapting to your specific needs and preferences. They are accessible, available on various devices and platforms, and they are designed to give you a competitive edge, helping you stand out from the crowd. Choose the ones that fit your needs and style, creating a personalized toolkit for success. With the right AI tools, you can manage every aspect of your job search more effectively, from initial planning to final negotiations. Stay organized, keeping track of your progress and deadlines. Get noticed, making a strong impression on potential employers. And be prepared, ready to ace every interview and negotiation. The future of career development is here, offering unprecedented opportunities for growth and advancement. Are you making the most of it? Are you ready to embrace the power of AI in your career? Explore, experiment, and find your perfect toolkit, tailoring your approach to your unique needs and goals. Your next opportunity awaits. Embrace the future and unlock your full potential. AI tools are powerful, but remember, they're here to support, not replace your unique human qualities. Your personality, experiences, and intuition are your true competitive advantages. AI can't replicate your passions or gut instincts. Use AI to automate tasks and gain insights, but always add your personal touch. Let your authentic voice shine through in every application and interaction. Authenticity resonates with employers and builds real connections. The best results come from a partnership: your creativity and emotional intelligence combined with AI's efficiency. This synergy is the winning formula for today's job market. Be strategic, but stay genuine. Let AI amplify your strengths, not overshadow them. The future of career management is collaborative. Make AI your co-pilot on the road to success. The world of work is evolving, and AI career coaches are a key part of this transformation. Embrace these technologies. They can make a real difference in your career journey. Explore the diverse AI tools available and discover how they address your unique needs. Experiment, adapt, and find the right combination for your goals. Lifelong learning is essential. Let AI help you identify skill gaps and find resources. Stay adaptable as the professional landscape changes. Your dream job is out there, and with the right mindset and tools, it's within reach. Leverage AI, but always showcase your unique talents and personality. Embrace innovation,